everyone, welcome back to English class. I am Sabita Joseph, your English teacher. Children, I hope you all are studying well. Okay, so we are discussing lesson 2, the 4 strings band. Last day we discussed the modal auxiliary verbs. They are can, could and may. What is modal verbs? Modal verbs are used to express the ability, possibility, permission, ask request and all. Okay, so today we will discuss future tense and the use of, for example, I will go to Delhi tomorrow. I will go to Delhi tomorrow. In this sentence, what is the main verb or action verb? Go. Okay. What is the helping verb used in sentence? That is will. See children, will is also another helping verb or auxiliary verb in the English. See children, will is also another helping verb or auxiliary verb, and it comes under the category of modals that we learned last day. Okay, so this will describes the main verb. What is the main verb? Go. So will describes the main verb, that is go, that is when the action is going to happen. Okay, so we use will to say that the action is going to happen in the future. We use will to talk about the future time. So today we will discuss all about the use of will. Okay. So children, on the board you can see a sentence. What is that? Ria and her friends will play at the party next week. Okay. Can you identify the main verb from the sentence? Yes. Play. Play is the main word or action word in the sentence. And you can see another word, that is will. Why we use will? For what we are using will? We use will to show the future time. Okay, so here we can see Ria and her friends will play at a party next week. Okay, so the action that their program will happen in the next week. Okay, so we use will to show that action that is going to happen in the future. Okay, so future time is used to refer to the action that something is going to happen in the future, or we use future time to talk about the plans in the future, or we use future time, that is will, used to talk about the promises we are going to take. So here you can see will plus, yes, it is the verb in the sentence, that is play. Okay, so how we can refer this? Will plus base form of the verb. We know play, played and played. Play is the first form of the verb. That first form means the base form. So we have to use will, and next to the will is the base form of the verb. So that is what we have seen here. That is, Ria and her friends will play at a party next week. Now we can see another sentence on the board, that is, Rishi will go to the market tomorrow. What is that? Rishi will go to the market tomorrow. So here also we can see the sentence is in future tense because we use the word will. Will go. Will plus base form of the verb. What is the next two forms of go? Go, went, gone. So go is the first form. So we use will plus go to the market tomorrow. So the action will happen tomorrow. Okay, so what we have to do is, we have to change this statement into negative statement. So I hope you all remember the lesson we learned. We learned how to change a positive statement into negative. For making the negative statement, we will use not, will not, cannot, may not, could not. Do you remember that? Yes. So now let us change this positive statement into negative. For that we have to use not with the will. Okay. How we can change it? Yes. Rishi Next word, will not. Rishi will not go to the market tomorrow. Now what we have to do is, we have to make WH questions. Okay, so WH questions like what, where, when, why, etc. Okay, so how we can make this statement into a WH question? Okay, so here we can see Rishi will go to the market tomorrow. We can ask, when will Rishi go to the market? Okay, when will Rishi go to the market? End of the sentence, a question mark. So we change this sentence into question mark. For that we can use question word or WH question word, that is when. Okay, next one is, we have to make yes or no question with the same sentence. Okay, how we can make yes or no questions? For that we have to use will at the beginning of the sentence, like this. Will Rishi go to the market tomorrow? It can be yes or no. The answer can be yes or no. Okay, student, now you look at on the board. Here we can see the positive statement that Rishi will go to the market tomorrow. Now we use this statement into negative. For that we use will not. Rishi will not go to the market tomorrow. Next, we have to make WH questions, that is what, where, when. Question words we can use. Here we can make the question like this. When will Rishi go to the market? When he'll go to the market? Tomorrow. Next one, yes or no question. The answer should be yes or no. For that we have to use the word will at the beginning. Will Rishi go to the market tomorrow? Will Rishi go to the market tomorrow? Can be yes or no. So this is how you have to change the sentences. Now let us see another example. Okay. See the next sentence, that is, my brother will buy the storybook tomorrow. My brother will buy the storybooks tomorrow. Here also we can use the helping verb or the modal auxiliary, that is will. And next to the word buy is the base form of the verb. Okay, so we have to change this positive statement into negative. For that what we have to do? We have to add not. So the sentence will be, my brother will not buy the storybook tomorrow. Here also we use will plus not plus base form of the verb, that is buy. Same. Okay. Next one, WH question. How we can make WH questions using the same sentence, that is when. Okay, so when will your brother buy the storybook? What's the answer? Tomorrow. Okay. Next one, yes or no questions. Same, we have to start with the main auxiliary verb, that is, will your brother buy the storybook tomorrow? It can be yes or no. Okay, so when we are making yes or no question, we have to write the auxiliary verb or the modal verbs in the sentence, that is will. Will your brother buy the storybook tomorrow? So let us see another example. So the next sentence is, my uncle will come next week. My uncle will come next week. Here we can see the modal verb or auxiliary verb will plus main verb, that is come. We use the first form of the verb, that is come. Come, came, come. Okay, so come is the first form. So we use will come. My uncle will come next week. Okay, now let us change this positive statement into negative. That is, we have to use not with the will. So, my uncle will not come next week. Okay, how we can change this statement as a WH question? Yes, for that we use when. When will your uncle come? When will your uncle come? And question mark. And yes or no question. For that we use will at the beginning of the sentence. That is the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. Will your uncle come next week? And question mark. Okay, so this is also another example. So children, understand, we use will to show the future time, to talk about the actions which is going to happen in the future. So here also, my uncle will come. That what is the verb action word is the come. So my uncle will come next week. So the action will happen in the future. And we learned how we can change that positive statement into negative by using not. We use not with the will not. Okay, then we saw how we can make WH questions. Here we can see my uncle will come next week. So it is saying about a day, isn't it? So we are asking when will your uncle come? Okay, then we made yes or no question. For that we begin the sentence with the auxiliary verb or helping verb or the model used in the main sentence, that is will. Okay, so now let us do our textual exercise from your textbook.
Page number 23. B. What will Rashi's family do tomorrow? With the help of the clues in the box, complete the answers to these questions. Here you can see the box and you can see the family members of Rashi and what they will do for tomorrow. Okay, under the box you can see some questions and you have to find out the answers using the clues given in the box. And understand, this is all about future time. See, the question is what will Rashi's family do tomorrow? So you have to use the future time and you have to use the modal verb will. Okay, the first one has been done for you. Let us read that. What will Rashi do tomorrow? Yes, what will he do? Yes, Rashi will watch cartoons tomorrow. So we use will. Next to the will is the verb watch. The first form of the verb watch. Okay, so Rashi will watch cartoons tomorrow. Next, will Rashi's mother water the plants tomorrow? So this is a yes or no question. So Rashi's mother will not water the plants tomorrow. So we can start the answer by saying no. Then who will water the plants tomorrow? Yes, Rashi's father will water the plants tomorrow. Will Rashi's mother water the plants tomorrow? No, Rashi's father will water the plants tomorrow. See the next one. Who will cook lunch for the family tomorrow? Who will cook the lunch for the family tomorrow? See, on the box we can see Rashi's brother cook lunch for the family. Then how we can write the answer? Yes, Rashi's brother will cook lunch for the family tomorrow. Rashi's brother will cook lunch for the family tomorrow. Okay, I hope you all understood how to find out the answers. Do the rest by yourself. Answer keys will be given in the Google Classroom. Okay.
Now children, let us discuss a textual exercise from your textbook, that is writing conversation, that you have already learned about it. Page number 25.
Writing. Ria is writing to convince her friends to start their own band. Complete this dialogue in your own words. Children, we know that Ria decided to start the band. She went to discuss her idea with her friends and she was trying to convince her friends to start their own band. What will be their conversation? Okay, so this is dialogue writing. You have learned this, how to write dialogues. So let us complete 2 or 3 sentences now. Ria, I have an idea. How about we start our own band? Sarah, do you think it's a good idea? We are just children. Ria, I spoke to Grandma. She said that we could definitely do this together. Then, Arshi, but what if? What will be the question asked by Arshi? But what if we don't sound good like a real band? Harsh, it's alright, we can practice until we sound better. Sarah, but who will help us with selecting what kind of music to play? So, what will be the answer? Ria, we can ask our music teacher. I'm sure she will help us. So, like this, children, you try to complete this dialogue writing. An example will be given in the Google Classroom. You can check it and you have to write it by yourself.
Children, I hope you all understood today's class. Today we learned the use of will to talk about the future time and do the textual exercise by today itself. If you have any doubt, you can call me and ask. Okay, so we'll meet next day. Until then, take care and bye.